friends, welcome to Uttara Shrini's Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. With all the crazy scenarios happening in our world today, you might be bored. Well, I have an idea for you. Step outside and enjoy the nature. You can see our beautiful pink azalea flowers in our garden. The birds are chirping, the animals are out. You know what would be perfect with this? A spring-themed breakfast recipe. Let's go inside the kitchen and find out. Today we're making, drumroll please, carrot pancakes! Yay! Let's take a look onto the ingredients. In a mixing bowl, add grated potato. Make sure to squeeze the potato to get all the water out. Add grated carrots. Make sure to squeeze the carrots to get all the water out. Add salt. Add red chili flakes. Add onion powder. Add roasted garlic powder. Add finely chopped cilantro. Add all-purpose flour. Mix with a spoon. We need less than 1/4 cup of water. Mix with a spoon. This is how your batter should look like. Let's move on to the stove. Heat a pan. Add oil. Take a spoonful of the batter and put it on the hot pan. And slowly press to form a pancake. Put 4 to 5 pancakes at a time. Cook the pancake on both sides until it becomes nice and crispy. Repeat the process to make the rest of the pancakes. Look how crispy these carrot pancakes are. Transfer to a serving dish. Serve with your favorite sauce. We're using ketchup. You can use mango chili ketchup if you like too. These carrot pancakes taste like hash browns, but they're filled with carrots and they're really yummy and delicious. Wednesday is Earth Day, so what you can do to help is you can plant a tree and you can help not pollute our earth. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe. and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!